today I'm going to do a little experiment in my skid steer. So for my experiment, I want to figure out what is more comfy. My regular clothes, which is just a tank top, nothing special, my Wrangler jeans, or if my bikini will be more comfy. This video is for educational purposes only. Again, I have been driving in my skid steer for 6 to 8 hours a day, so I just want to see which is going to be more comfy for me to be sitting in. Alright, we're going to start with regular clothes first, since I am already dressed. Hang those up for later. Let's move some gravel. Let's try the bikini. Alright, I have my bikini on. Let's move some gravel. Much bigger load in the bikini than I was my regular clothes. And then I just had a lot more mobility, and I was able to just feel a lot more free while I was driving the machine. However, I was able to get a bigger load when I was wearing the bikini. I was a little bit more excited when I had the bikini on because I just felt so much more free, and I just felt like things were kind of going all over the place, and the load just was like, whoo, and yeah. Overall, I think I would choose the bikini personally because it is just more comfy, and I just feel a little bit more free and more myself in it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and share this so that I know I should make more videos like this, and whether or not clothes or bikinis or less is best to wear when working outdoors. Thank you again for following along with naturallybianca.com, my channel. If you want to see more of me, go check out my bio. Otherwise, I will see you next time.